We got a microphone. Please welcome. Step into my orifice. Perhaps you notice that things are a little different around here. I'm facing a whole new direction. I've got a whole new lease on life. I got a microphone on my glockenspiel mallet. So, welcome to the new orifice. I have rearranged the office. I flipped the desk around to make talking to YouTube that much easier, y'all. I know, I'm thinking about ya. Isn't that cool? This is all for you. But I've got this like phalanx of like books behind me. This is my friend's office. I'm renovating my friend's historic house in exchange for living here, and I'm rolling into my second year, so I'm seeing some progress. But this office was an absolute shit show when I got here. Just packed. I'm not saying he's a hoarder, but he's not a hoarder, you know. I like this as a backdrop, and I was sitting sideways every time I talked to you guys before. So now we're sitting at the desk in the orifice, and I can see out the linden trees. Y'all know those are my favorite. It's like we're in the trees. I'm on the second floor. The light is so beautiful, and get natural light also on me. So yeah, great improvements. It was also hilarious when I moved the desk. I found plugged in to the outlet and to a phone jack a caller ID. Can you even believe that it was like still plugged in? It was still like on. But who knows, you guys, we might be getting landlines again here soon, right? Okay, so I'm just doing a little intro for this episode. I am finally getting back to editing this footage. I was just like, all right, damn it, today's the day. I was waiting on footage from one of the gals because I wanted more performance footage of them. But, you know, if I get some, I'll show it to you guys later. But I just had to kind of call it. So this is the trip to Seattle. This is where we left off in the edited episodes of Artists in the Wild. So I was preparing my truck to make, you know, the big long drive. I don't know, what is it? I can't remember. You know, I took 2 days basically to get up there to Seattle from Northern California. And I was invited by my friend to stage manage for her. She was like, I didn't know you were going to be on the West Coast, and I'm doing the show in Seattle, and we need somebody. What are you doing? Do you want to like hop on board? And I was like, yeah. I mean, of course, I prefer performing. You know, performing is my favorite thing. Second favorite thing is just being around performers, being in the world, being in theater. Like, that's my happy place is, you know. And then being helpful and just helping out my homie, and, you know, from a different side of it. I was like, hell yeah. So anyway, that's what we're gonna see today, and I'm psyched about this episode. So we're calling this episode As the Crow Caws. Caw Caw! That's because my character in this show was a crow. I was the stage crow. I was in a full mask the whole time. Nobody could barely tell it was me. I was just like in a sausage stuffed into a leotard. It's like just a few little snippets of what was going on, just to give you guys a little taste. But I wanted to get you guys up to speed. I wanted to show you the new digs, and get us back on track here. I mean, I'm still like, all right, dang it, man. If we're doing this thing, we got to make it work, you know. And I'm just going to keep being honest. So it's going to have to be like word of mouth. Like, you guys are going to have to like tell people. I was very excited yesterday. My uncle told me that he's been telling people. He had a 75th birthday party yesterday, and I was really psyched that I got to go. And that was the best benefit of having to shuffle my trip to California around. So I did get to go to this party, my family. And it means a lot these days since my father passed away to see that side of the family. And they're also just also cool and really fun to be around. So I like hanging out with them. It was great. All right, I like hanging out with you too. Let's get into it. Caw Caw! Caw Caw!
Yeah. He better come to the show.
Of course, he's got his tickets already. That lady that I told not to walk across, she said she's coming.
Of course. Sell tickets, yes. Get them all in here. Okay. So everyone can learn if they want to learn. Elena knows, so she's just going, but you unhook the pin. And then, yeah, and Trixie's going to want to learn when we're doing the show. There, and then you put the pin there. And then we do this guy. Ooh. The stage is kind of heavy, so you could do it on your own, but you kind of want to have a pal. It doesn't fly down, but I did take the thing off. So you push in, you leave that, and then with your buddy, you bring it. Ooh, and this also could topple that. Look at the Birds of Play t-shirt. Oh, you
Yay! Okay. And so here we are. This is the old bathhouse. We're right on the lake. We're gonna keep going for a second, give you a little tour here. Got the beer garden, and we got someone's been trying to break in the trailer at night. They had to change the locks. They tried twice to break in. So pretty.
One rope on either side. It's just,
Well,
I mean,
cloud swing.
yeah. That's like, I mean, we could be
do
clever.
Cloud swing. I don't want to do cloud swing. I'm a
Okay.
trapeze girl. I need to make this as like.
I'm a
chillax as
trapeze
possible.
person. I'm bar
I'm bar centric.
centric. And hair hanging.
I just wanted to make sure I could sit up here. I mean, I'm not going to leave these dangling. Wow.
Just
Down.
iron jaw it.
Yeah. I'm gonna be like,
Well, one I
Put
Yeah.
your feet,
Ooh.
put your feet inside.
this is going to get real experimental.
Yeah.
We're birthing a show! I feel like if I make it much shorter, then like we're not even going to be able to sit up there.
I think it looks a good height.
Yeah, I wish it was. I mean, I'm glad this is the one I redid for us for
It
the
does
show.
look like a bird perch.
It
You know
does
what?
look-
Now we look like we have a bird cage. Maybe this one gets kind of like,
Slung over there.
yeah.
Ooh, let's do that.
I'm sorry. Which one are we talking about moving?
I'm
The
switching
bird-
Whoopi and
It's her.
Grace.
It doesn't have anything. Doesn't
No one
affect
else.
you
It's
at
just
all.
my
Yeah,
own
yeah,
ass.
yeah, yeah. But I thought the whoopee or the braids was the one that you did in the first set. So that's why
No,
I
that's
was
heavy metal braids.
That's
Oh.
braiding.
It's there's
Not
a
my
logic
braids
to
act.
the order
Got it.
of her thing
Sorry.
because that's why when you were like, why doesn't she do braids in the thing? And I was like, because she needs to get them done first. So it's like a progression to
Got
her
it.
hair story.
My hair story.
Her hair
always
story.
a problem.
Got it.
So-
That's why I always have to do hair hang first.
Yeah.
Got it.
So think you needed to come downstage.
Downstage
and
of you.
Me and up, yeah.
Okay.
So
This way, the figure eight goes this way. Down stage left, up stage left, down, up stage
Yeah.
right, down stage
Yeah.
right. Okay, I love it. Oh my god, you guys are good. Okay, let's do it again. And ready, and up.
that's where
Oh,
you.
thank you.
Wait, or is that right? Oh, maybe
You're going the
no.
right way.
You're going
You
right.
have to go down.
You're
that
going
way.
right. I have to go.
Yeah, honey,
Yeah.
you were right.
Okay.
It's me. You know, it's gonna be easier if I go first. Yeah. Sorry. So boom.
Yeah.
And then wave it.
You can go a little lower too, Tanya.
Okay. Waving it.
Looks great.
Okay. And now, I go this way. You go this way. Yes.
I look crazy. I've been in a crow head all day. But look, there's a whole world of new pine cones here in the Pacific Northwest. Oh, I just love it. Okay, it's preview night with an invited audience, and we just did our full tech dress, and I'm so tired, but feeling pretty good. It looks good. I'm excited to get the run underway, and yeah, I'm gonna flip this around so you can see what's up.
Hello.
Hello. Saw all the people here. Saw all the people in this lovely theater that we're in. We got the nice bathrooms. And we're ready for the show. Everything's ready. All right. Elena's getting ready. How's it going? Don't look at the magic. Don't look at the behind the scenes. We can't tell you the magic tricks, people. So we're going up the stairs now. Elena, Tanya's calling.
Oh, okay, I'll be right down. Will you not need to hold your
Tanya just said your name. I think she's coming down. Showgirl detritus. Check. Got Cheez-Its. No, that's my corner. We got the lady herself.
coming on down.
And then we got this dressing room. Got this glamorous backstage. We got the birthday girl.
That's me.
How does it feel to be 40?
Take a video right now.
Look at us. This is after the first show.
This is after the show. Hey, how do you feel after your preview? Who has a birthday today?
Sheena!
Oh my god. Oh, there it goes. Bye.
I don't know, but we made it through. Everything's like foggy and romantic because I think my camera's dirty. But I have my crow's feet painted.
I did it only for tonight so I could watch the show. I won't do that in the real show.
Look at it. Can you see? It's so pretty.
Well, I'm actually checking a tear in my whoopee cushion that I actually have to fix.
Are these trade secrets that we're exposing here?
Yeah.
How did you come up with this act?
I don't know. Well, I was, I made rubber out of, with my whoopee cushion as rubber. So then I was thinking, what's another classic comedy cliche? And I said, ooh, rubber chickens. I was actually going to make a whole costume out of rubber chickens, but then when I bought the rubber chickens, they were too stiff.
Yeah, they're pretty stiff.
So then that's why I made this and added butts and stuff. But the fabric dyed. So now leaves like the fat and like because you could see all my.
Oh, that's
It dyed all my chickens.
Hmm.
Oh well, it's version 1.
Yeah.
And then that costume is I found a
Fabric is
photo of this magician's assistant. And she had this great outfit on, and so that's what I mimicked. I copied. It was like a 1950s magician assistant. So, yeah. Elena's been a magician assistant.
Sure have. Good stuff. What is it? 4 girls, 33 costumes.
Yeah.
Tell us again.
4 girls and 33 costumes in 90 minutes.
It's a lot.
We're girls.
to show you guys how the merch turned out. The printing. It's fun to see the designs like actually printed. Considering it was like all hand painted, and it just looks so sweet. Has that hand painted quality, which I love. And she got stickers of them all too. I didn't do those. Here's your deep print. I did that one. Look at this. Yeah, I know. We're just tripping out on the trees around here. Look at this crazy tree. It's so wild. Colors, everything. So cool.
Trixie, you met Grant and Heather.
Hi, I'm Trixie. Hi, Grant.
Trixie, you won't recognize her later because she will have a mask on, but she's the stage grow extraordinaire. Oh, everyone's here now. Okay. So I mainly just want to talk through the show since we haven't done it since last Sunday. So we start with the Charivari. Yes. We go into Joy, blah, blah, blah. We go into Elena, magic.
Can I say something?
Yeah.
When you set magic, will you put the chair a little bit further away from the table so I can get between them?
I can spread them further, just further apart in both directions.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Great. Thank you.
Then Joy will come out again and talk a little bit. Look for Goldie. Goldie's cue will still be the yodeling pickle.
Got it.
I will definitely not do my vibrator joke for the kids show. Reminding myself.
Good job.
How it goes. If it feels weird, then I might just have you wait for the corn. But I'll have plenty of time.
The pickle's funnier for her to come out too.
Well, I could do the corn first.
Do the corn first.
Yeah, and then do the yodeling pickle. But we'll just leave it as is for now. Or should I do corn first and then pickle? See how that goes.
Well, I will say, I think chickens prefer corn over pickles.
Yeah.
Yes, but pickles are just funnier.
But the pickle's funny.
The pickle is much funnier.
Right. So what if the corn's first and then the pickle's the
what I'm saying.
punchline?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll do corn first. So you still same cue, but you'll hear the corn. It's our last day here. Yes, and I'm a little bit sad. I wish we were here for like a whole nother week, honestly. Maybe next year. But yeah, I want everyone to, I know we're all tired. I feel that. I feel it myself. So just, pace yourself. Take the time you need and have a great time. And I love you guys and really appreciate everything you have brought to this show in process.
It's been beautiful.
Yeah, that's all.
Why don't we just do it again, but different, like on Tuesday?
Like tomorrow?
Tomorrow.
Like tomorrow.
Yeah, don't cry yet. Save your tears.
Yeah, I already cried last night on stage.
Aw.
Character.
We're in the blue lights backstage.
Hello and welcome to Seattle Public Theater and our closing performance of Birds of Play.
Nice to meet you. You want to take a picture? Mom's
I'm already ready. It's a wrap, y'all. Wow. It's a fun one. Whew. Next up, little lady. I wanted to give you guys an update. I owed you one, but I had a bunch of Mercury retrograde shenanigans. Anyway, I just wanted to update you that the sound has stopped. It was a free. The mechanic did not charge me. I called a bunch of mechanics. They were gonna charge me $175 just to look at it. And the fourth one I called, I went out there that same day and they looked at it, they put the stethoscope on it, and they cut off a belt that was attached to the air conditioner, and the sound stopped. And they didn't charge me, and I offered them free tickets, and he said he was too busy, and he still didn't charge me, and that was it. And now it's fine. So I just wanted to give you an update. But I was very happy, and we're still cruising along here. I'm heading to the theater. We are closing up, packing up, about to hit the road with another show, which is tiring, but also great because we don't have to be sad. It was such a great run. So, more soon.